Yo, you're struggling right now.
Ah! What's going on, Infinite Fam?
Welcome back to another video.
Technically it's Monday, but when you guys see this, it'll be Tuesday. So welcome to our Taco Tuesday.
Here in the Infinite Fam household, we only eat chicken tacos with the hard shell or crunchy shells.
Just so you guys know,
don't eat soft tacos.
this is Isaiah Crocker's kitchen. Alright, this is the ICK. Alright, so we already got the chicken already washed thanks to her. She cut the fat off too, so we don't bite into no rubbery pieces.
So obviously we have the taco shells.
No.
I have my vegan cheese. He has his regular dairy cheese. Guacamole, which I'm so upset about because I like making my own guacamole fresh. But for some reason, both of the grocery stores that we went to were wiped out of avocados. So couldn't make guacamole.
Tell them how my guacamole is to die for.
Boy, you don't make
them.
guacamole.
Stop telling them
You
that.
don't even cook.
Stop. Why are you telling them that?
And then we have lechuga, which is lettuce.
If you guys hear a squeak, that's Bully the Bulldog with his toy.
Have they ever met Bully before?
I'm not sure.
Oh, and we have a lime.
Cut out slices and put them on our eyes, right? Step 1, season the chicken.
Season that meat. Number 1, adobo. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh God.
Alright, dude, say that again.
Okay,
What do you need? What do you need?
adobo.
Huh? Yeah.
Dude, you can't fucking throw shit.
I don't know if they could see that though, but Mad Adobo just flew in like a cloud. Alright, while she seasons my meat and
Excuse me?
while she seasons the meat, God, what do you think I said? I'm just gonna get the other ingredients ready.
Okay, next ingredient. Garlic powder.
That's onion. Alright, ground garlic, boom. Yo,
Stop doing that!
You're Mrs. Butterfingers. You're Mrs. Butterfingers.
Okay, stop me.
Saison. Alright, wait, I'm gonna go across the kitchen, I'm gonna toss it to you.
Give me!
Here we go, watch this. Look, throw it up.
I really thought you were gonna hit me in the face.
Alright, throw it up and I'm gonna catch it while I'm looking at the camera.
Alright, baseball player.
No.
Next ingredient is ground onion.
These onions came from the ground, watch this. Ooh. Hey! That's what I'm talking about. Give me a high five.
Elbow five.
I ain't asking for no elbow.
Alright,
I got you though. I got you. Sharp ass elbow. Cilantro paste. Guys, we usually use regular cilantro, but they ain't have that either in the 2 grocery stores that we went to. It's a drought.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Don't throw it, please.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stop!
Oh. Hey! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. You got squirty. Squirt. You know I know a guy named Squirt?
What?
I know a guy named Squirt.
That's disgusting, actually.
You wanna know why they call him Squirt?
Why?
I ain't gonna tell you why they call him Squirt.
Okay.
Just know he's locked up. Alright, so now step 1 is done. We got the chicken all seasoned up, looking fantastic.
That kind of looks horrible, but...
It looks horrible, but it's gonna look fantastic when it's done.
I'm gonna slice it up into little pieces. 1, it'll cook faster, and then 2, that's how we're gonna have them because I'm gonna shred them afterwards. So.
Can I trust you in that? That's the real question.
Do I know how to handle? Ah!
You scared no one but yourself. Because I'm just looking at you like, I want to slice one.
No.
Come on!
No, get out.
Alright, can I do this more?
Yes.
Alright. You don't want to let me do anything. I'm such a better cooker than her.
Cooker? First of all.
I'm such a better chef.
Such a better cook.
I'm a better cook. Alright, she finally gave me the knife. Bad idea, now I'm about to cook you.
What about?
I'm about to cut you.
Cut this one!
Alright, relax. Relax.
Why are you cutting it like it's a sandwich?
Yo, what I tell you, Isaiah Crocker's kitchen. Right?
Isaiah Crocker's kitchen. Wasn't Betty Crocker, she only baked, she didn't make foods?
I don't know who the hell Betty Crocker is.
But you're calling yourself Isaiah Crawford.
Security, can we get her out of my kitchen?
Boy! Yo, you're struggling right now.
Ah! Ain't no one struggling, I'm done.
You kind of scared me a little bit.
I know I scared you a little bit.
Stupid bitch. Okay, and for the fam, so everything is already cut.
I gotta wash my gloves.
I'm going to mix it up. Make sure the seasoning gets everywhere.
Well, wait till you guys see the finished product.
Woo! Laughing, yeah. Hit me again.
Look, I'm gonna do it again.
Stop! I hit you with my dirty hands, bitch. I'll do it.
Okay, Infinite Fam, the chicken is done. You can see it's.
Talking like that?
Stop worrying about what I do in Isaiah Crawford's kitchen.
Shut up! This not your kitchen. I'm the one who's cooking, ho.
Let me show you the chicken before I was really interrupted. It's all shredded, as you can see.
Most important part I feel about cooking is the oil.
I want to pour the olive oil.
No.
Yes, please.
Don't pour too much.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Boy, keep on pouring it, please. Okay.
Dash.
Okay, that's good enough.
I could so be a chef.
And there we go. Turn on the fire. God damn it.
Alright, we're gonna set it to a nice little low-medium fire. Tell them how I cook buenissimo. Oh wait.
You don't cook.
You gotta stop telling them that. You're making me look like I'm not a chef.
Because you're not.
I'm gonna cut this camera off if you'll give me all the credit right now. Give me all the credit and I'll give you a kiss.
Yeah. I licked you, haha.
It tastes like olive oil.
Ew.
Yeah, ew.
No, I don't.
We're gonna cut the camera back on when it's all done and we're gonna show you how it looks.
In the Infinite Fam household, we like our chicken extra crispy.
Word, don't say that, oh, we burnt the chicken. That's how we like it. So while she shreds the chicken, and we'll show you when she's done with that, all she's doing is cutting it up with a knife and fork. I'm gonna put the taco shells in the oven to warm up. Okay, Infinite Fam, so this is how the chicken looks. All shredded up. Okay, taco shells out the oven. They're nice and crispy. Now Janice is cutting up some lettuce so we can begin putting everything together and then finally eat. As much as I hate to say it, I gotta give full credit to Janice for doing the cooking, even though I did like 95% of it.
Whatever.
She's the one that cooks. I just talk a lot of shit. So
He helps me though, Infinite Fam. He does.
Infinite Fam, we thought we had lettuce. What we opened up was not lettuce. Yeah, as you can see, it's green. I think it's cabbage. Janice said it's not cauliflower.
That is not, guys.
Whatever it is, it's green. It's going on the taco.
He
That's
really
it.
thought that it was cauliflower.
It's green. It's going on the taco. If it's green, it goes on the taco. So on Infinite Fam, these are the drinks.
If you guys know what that is, then you're thebomb.com.
So we saw these at the grocery store, the Japanese soda, and Janice was like, "Yo, we gotta do it." So I was like, "Okay, let's do it." Squeeze the lime, please. I felt that all on my arm. Good thing I closed this eye. I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna go first.
You take.
Yo!
That's what you do, baby. You just grab and go.
I'm taking all the chicken.
Why do I still have gloves on? I need some cheese on my lettuce. I just wanna sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle the cheese. Just sprinkle the cheese.
I'm so jealous that you can have regular cheese. I wish I could.
You mean real cheese? You're gonna take some quote-unquote lettuce, whatever this green stuff is, because we don't know what the hell it is.
Is that what you're playing me?
I like my stuff extra juicy. Where my lime at?
Right
Still
here.
my lime?
I like extra guac on my stuff.
I'm making a mess.
Look at my taco, Infinite Fam.
Now the tacos are prepared.
Cheers!
Taco Tuesday.
Mmm. So crunchy. Good?
You know how to make some tacos.
You're so stupid.
How you open it?
Give me a second.
Oh, you gotta poke it.
So you put it on the top and you just push down really hard. Ready? I might let you do mine actually.
Ooh.
And the ball drops.
There's a little ball in there.
You want to do mine? Because I'm scared. My nails are too long.
Let go. Let go. Oh my god.
Woo!
They make those really hard.
I know.
Better be good. I like this. Thank you. Never again. I want the ball.
You can't get it. It's stuck in there.
Well, I want it.
You can't get it.
Alright, Infinite Fam, so that's it for today's video. We hope you guys like Taco Tuesday. If you guys like videos like this, let us know and we'll make more different meals and stuff like that, desserts, anything you guys want. So time for today's post notification shout out. Today's shout out goes out to Jasleen Ramos. Thank you so much, girl, for having your post notifications turned on. If you guys want a post notification shout out, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment when done down below and you guys can win a shout out in our next video. And we shall see you guys in the next one.
Love you, Infinite Fam.